This beautiful shade of green background really makes the dahlia flower stands out. Really loving this flower, loving the soft white petals and the tip. Oh my goodness, it's just amazing. Love this video, love this flower. Guys, check out today's creation video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas and I'm gonna do another beautiful dahlia flower using a big serving spoon to swipe this flower. Alright, so this is my second painting using this big spoon and I gotta tell you guys that I'm having so much fun. The background for this painting today is a beautiful chaos Dutch pour. I'm just using shades of green. I'm just going to use a blow dryer to blow these beautiful shades of green across the canvas, creating a beautiful blend, you know. So just check it out, guys. Bear with me. I'm just using my spatula there to, you know, spread the colors, and I'm going to blow it out. Then for the second background, it's going to be a custom mix soft pastel yellow that I custom mixed by adding white and yellow to create this really pastel, you know, soft shade yellow. Then I'll be using white and soft shade of gray. I've custom mixed this gray color and it's so beautiful. I love it. Do check it out, guys. I do hope you watch this video all the way to the end. I'm just showing you here how I do my base colors as well. Sometimes I get asked, you know, if the canvas is wet while I'm swiping to create the dahlia flower. So I like to show the process here that I'm doing the background and I'm doing a Dutch pour background. Then I'm going to be working on the background for the flower itself, which this is the soft shade of yellow that I was talking about. It's really pastel, it's really beautiful, it's really soft. And then I'm going to be pouring the colors for the dahlia itself, which is going to be white and a bit of a gray silver, soft shade of gray. The yellow that I'm using right now, it's going to be a part of the dahlia as well. So you will see in the end how all three colors really comes together and form the dahlia, and it's just beautiful. All right, for the consistency of the paint, I use a pouring medium, Artist Loft pouring medium, and I mix my colors 1 part paint to 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium. I tweak as I go. Whenever you trying this technique, you know, the paint should be on the thick side but not too thick, so it's going to leave a mount on a mount before it slowly disappear. You know, if you're struggling, if you're really trying and you can't get this consistency, guys, I have done a video using ready mix pouring paints. I've done a video using the Artist Loft ready mix pouring paint, and I've also used a Deco Art ready to pour pouring paint. You guys can check it out. I will list it up top, or you can watch this video to the end. You will see. Just go ahead and check it out. You know, it's just beautiful. There, I was just showing you this. I used a small plastic spoon to create that petal right there. Then I decided, you know what, let me just show you the difference in size. So see how I swipe it with the big spoon and it comes out a bit bigger. It's amazing. You know, the tip of the petal, I get asked this question too as well. The tip of the petal forms when you swipe that white across the canvas, right? And then while you're lifting, the tip will form. Okay, it's easier trying than me explaining. So get up, guys, go ahead, try it, have fun with it, make it your own, have fun. Try different color combinations, different backgrounds, whatever it is that you want to do. You saw me doing this background and you can tell that I did spread it thinly with the blow dry. It's not too thick here, it's not too heavy. You really don't want to leave too much paint on your canvas, and you don't want to, when you're pouring for the flower itself, you don't want to pour too much. All right, each time after each swipe, remember to wipe that spoon and then go again and just have fun. All right, I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that you guys, come out, interact with my video. I really appreciate the small amount of you guys every single time that comes out. Really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. All right, so stay tuned for the dried result. Oh, the close-up of the wet result and the dried result coming up. So don't go away, guys. I will see you at the end. Thank you.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Here is a close-up of the wet result. I love it. I really do love this color combination. I love how soft and beautiful the white petals are in this dahlia flower, and it's amazing with that gray, given, you know, showing the definition between each petals. I didn't have to go and tweak it like how I tweaked my previous dahlia. And of course, here it is dried, guys. I just want to tell you that I wasn't too happy with the center. I wanted to brighten things up a bit, and so I did it like this. I'm okay with it. It's not bad. It's fine. I love it. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. You know, there's just different variations of dahlias out there, and sometimes you have to make it your own. Remember, it's art. You don't have to be perfect. Just find a way to make it your own and just have fun. Create every day. Love your creation. And guys, I'm telling you, you will feel so good when you do something and know that, you know what, I did that. All right. So guys, do check out my ready to pour pouring paint video. And of course, I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.